Let's make mutton chops ke pakode. It's very easy to make. These chops can be served as a starter or appetizer, especially at Iftar in Ramadan. So this is one of the best recipe at Iftar, my family's favorite one. So let's see how to make it. In a bowl, add 500 grams mutton chops, goes in 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt adjust as per your taste, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon tikka masala. Give this a very nice mix. Now transfer this in a pressure cooker. Add half cup water. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 4 whistles. Once done, roast this mutton chops till water absorbs. Now let's make pakoda batter. Add 1 cup gram flour. Goes in 2 tablespoon rice flour. Pinch of red color. This is optional. 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. Half teaspoon baking soda. And 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. Now add half cup water and mix well. Add some more water if required. Give this a very nice mix. There should be no lumps. Now dip mutton chops in batter and drop it in hot oil. Fry these mutton chops ke pakode till it becomes crispy and golden brown. Once done, drain it on a paper towel and serve hot with green chutney. This is one of the best recipe at Iftar, my family's favorite one. So guys, try these lovely mutton chops ke pakode at your home and enjoy. Follow us for more short recipes and updates on Instagram page Shimi'S.kitchen and subscribe to our channel. And when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.